Hello students, today we will solve some fill-ups, true, false and most expected 1 marks questions. First of all, true or false. First is all examples of the empty set are equal. This is true because all examples of empty set are equal because there is no any element in the empty set. So all examples are equal. Next, all examples of the empty set are equivalent. Again, this is true because it contains no elements. Next, third is if two sets have the same cardinal number, they are equal sets. Now let us take two sets, A set 1 and 2 and B set is AB, that is cardinal number of A and B is same, that is order of A and B is same. Order means number of elements. Number of elements in set A is 2. Number of elements of B is 2. But elements are not same. So this is not equal sets. So this is false statement. Next example. If NA is equal to NB, then A and B are equivalent sets. This is true. If number of elements of one set is equal to number of elements of another set, then both sets are equivalent sets. Fifth, if B is equal to x is such that x plus 4 is equal to 4, then B is an empty set. Now x plus 4 is equal to 4, that is x is equal to 4 minus 4, that is x is equal to 0. That is set contains 0. This is not empty set, this is singleton set. So this statement is false. Sixth, the set of all points in a line is a finite set. This is also false because on line there are infinite number of points. Next, seventh, the set of letters in your mathematics book is an infinite set. This is also false because letters of mathematics book are countable. So this statement is false. Next, eighth is if m is equal to 1, 2, 4, 6 and n is equal to x is such that x is a factor of 12, then m is equal to n. Now n is equal to factor of 12. Factor of 12 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But m is equal to 1, 2, 4 and 6. Then m is not equal to n. So this statement is false. Next, the set of months of a year is a finite set. This is true because month of year is 12 and 12 is a finite number. So this set is finite. Next is sixth, 1, 2, 3 up to so on 999 is an infinite set. No, this is finite set. So this statement is false. Set of even prime that is 2 is not an null set. Yes, this is true statement because it is singleton set. It contains one element. Next, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2 is a null set. This is true statement because odd natural numbers are not divisible by 2. So the set contains no any element, that is it is null set. So this statement is true. Next, A set Z contains 4 elements and the number of elements in the power set of Z will be. Now in power set, number of elements is 2 raised to the power n, 2 raised to the power 4 because there are 4 elements, so n is equals to 4. 2 raised to the power n is equal to 16. If A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7, then A union B, combine elements of A and B, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now every set is a subset of itself. Next, for each set given below, state whether it is finite set, infinite set or null set. First, natural numbers more than 100. This is infinite set because it contains more than 100, means starting from 101, 102, 103, 104 up to so on. That is, it is infinite set. Next, A is equal to x is such that x is an integer between 1 and 2 because there is no an integer between 1 and 2. So this is null set. Third, B is equal to x is such that x belongs to W. W means whole number. X is less than 100. So this set is 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Less than 100 means up to 99. So this is finite set. Next, set of mountains in the world. This is infinite set. Fifth, multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32 up to so on. That is, this is also infinite set. Even numbers not divisible by 2. This is null set. Because all even numbers are divisible by 2, there is no any even number which is not divisible by 2. That is, this set contains no element, so this is null set. Seventh, squares of natural number. Square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, then square of 3 is 9, 16, 25 up to so on. So this is infinite set. Next, coins used in India. That is also finite set. Next, write the cardinal number for each of the following sets. Cardinal number means order, means number of elements in that set. First is set of days in the leap year. Now in leap year there are 366 days. In normal year 365 and in leap year 366. So cardinal number for set A is 366. Next, B, set of numbers on a clock face. On clock face numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to so on 12. So cardinal number of this set is 12. Next is C is equal to x is such that x belongs to n, that is x is a natural number, and x is less than equal to 7. That is, C contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So cardinal number of this set is 7. Next, D is equal to set of letters in the word Panipat. D is equal to P A N I and T. So cardinal number of set D is 5.